Pricing and commercial strategy. The value equation. Our final lecture in Module 4 focuses on the crucial intersection of pricing and commercial strategy. This is where your proposed financial terms are not merely a calculation, but a strategic reflection of the value your organization intends to deliver. Pricing as a strategic element. It is imperative to view price not merely as a numerical figure, but as a direct manifestation of the value your solution provides. Your pricing strategy must achieve a delicate balance. It must be competitive within the market while simultaneously ensuring acceptable profitability for your organization. Crucially, your pricing must actively support and reinforce your overall win strategy and unique value proposition. Goals of your commercial strategy. The objectives guiding your commercial strategy are clear. Foremost is to win the business, but not at any cost. You must aim to achieve acceptable profit margins, effectively manage financial risks associated with the project, demonstrably communicate value for money to the client, and concurrently, support the establishment of a robust and enduring client relationship for long-term engagement. Understanding the client's budget and value drivers. A foundational step in developing your commercial strategy is to deeply understand the client's financial context. Ascertain their perceived budget for the initiative if possible. Determine their tolerance for different cost structures. Are they more amenable to upfront investments or spread out, ongoing costs? Crucially, identify what value they place on various aspects of the solution, such as speed of delivery, quality assurances, ongoing support, risk reduction, or specific performance guarantees. Discern whether their primary purchasing driver is the lowest price, the best overall value, or the most technically superior solution. Common pricing models in bidding. Various pricing models are prevalent in competitive bidding, each suited to different project types and risk allocations. A fixed price model involves a single, all-inclusive price for a defined scope of work. Time and materials pricing entails billing for actual hours worked, plus the cost of materials, offering flexibility for evolving scopes. The cost-plus model involves reimbursement of actual costs plus an agreed-upon profit margin. Unit price defines a price per item or unit of service. Value-based pricing directly links the price to the quantifiable value delivered to the client, for instance, a percentage of demonstrated cost savings. Often, hybrid models combining elements of these approaches are also employed. Developing your pricing strategy. Crafting your pricing strategy involves integrating multiple data points. A thorough cost analysis is essential, comprehending all direct, indirect, and overhead expenses. Estimates of competitor pricing, derived from your competitive analysis, are vital for market positioning. Understand the client value perception. How much inherent value does a client ascribe to your solution? Factor in a risk premium to account for identified project risks. Finally, ensure alignment with your organization's established profit margin targets. Presenting your commercial proposal. The presentation of your commercial proposal must prioritize clarity and transparency, ensuring it is easily understood by the client's evaluators. Where required by the RFP, provide a detailed breakdown of costs, showing the derivation of the total price. Clearly articulate your preferred payment terms. Consider offering optional services or tiered pricing to provide flexibility and cater to different budgetary levels. Most importantly, ensure strict adherence to the RFP's mandated format for commercial submissions. Value for money. Beyond the price tag. Successfully positioning your commercial offer often requires demonstrating value for money that extends beyond the headline price. Articulate the tangible return on investment your solution offers. Highlight the long-term benefits, such as sustained efficiency gains, significant risk reduction, or improved customer satisfaction, which may not be immediately apparent in the initial cost figure. Emphasize the total cost of ownership over the project's lifecycle, rather than focusing solely on upfront expenditure. Key takeaways. To conclude, pricing within a bid is fundamentally a strategic decision, not merely a computational exercise. It is imperative to align your price rigorously with your overall value proposition and win strategy. A deep understanding of the client's budget constraints and their underlying value drivers is crucial. Finally, always present your commercial proposal with utmost clarity and professionalism, reinforcing its strategic importance.